Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the image and creating a safe copy. You want one editable layer and one backup. Once done, zoom to the problem area so you can work precisely. Next, add a transparent layer above the copy for non-destructive fixes and set layer blending to normal. Make sure selection tools and a hard brush are accessible. These first steps let you isolate the drawn marks without harming underlying text, and they speed up later contrast adjustments. Now you isolate the drawn over strokes so you can change them to white. Use color range or select by color to pick the marker hue. Adjust fuzziness until only the marks are selected. Once selected, refine edges with a small feather, about 0.5 to 2 px, so the repair blends. Turn the selection into a layer mask on the duplicate. If you accidentally selected the background, invert the mask. This keeps the text intact, while targeting only with the marks masked, paint, or fill those areas with white on a new layer set to normal. This replaces the visible strokes without altering original text pixels. Then switch to a soft eraser at low opacity to gently blend edges and reveal any fine text details underneath. Work slowly around letters. Once satisfied, make subtle levels or curves adjustments to the text layer so characters remain legible. If artifacts persist, rasterize and use the clone or healing tool carefully to restore tiny missing strokes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.